It's like Christmas Eve.
Yeah. Yeah, there's like $3 right over there. And one
He missed that big one last year. We got up on top of that ridge. They walk back and forth.
Yeah.
Big hump. Just this side there's a bench. They go back and forth.
Yeah. Like in ones where last year we crawled up on?
Yeah.
That same bench?
Same bunch. No, they moved to the woods.
Hey, looky there, boys. They've been digging in the poop. Oh yeah, if you're wondering, Landon. That's who's going hunting tomorrow. Landon's last year. Last year as a youth. And then he'll have to be like all the rest of us. And wait. I love birds this time of year. By the way, it's freezing. Is it not? Shannon's froze too. I know one thing. This is a beautiful farm. I love this place. Is that where you were hearing them?
Yeah.
I mean, is that close?
Yeah, they might be right through there, because then I also walked down right through there. I was pointing my camera right through there.
Yeah. I don't know if it's like
they haven't burned this place up, so
I think they really like getting in them pines just because it not keeps the wind off of them. They get like right on that bottom side. It looks like a real place to roost too because it's straight up and down right there. All they'd have to do is freaking walk the edge of that hill and just go poop, hop right in the tree. They'll gobble in the morning. Let's get the heck out of here.
I don't think I'm dressed one in the morning.
I'm gonna dress like I'm deer hunting. This is what I'm gonna do. Wanting to cooperate this morning. It doesn't help that it's about 0 degrees. Whew. But we're just gonna go up here on this ridge, this big bench where they like to strut and hang out. So when we get up here, we're just gonna sit down until one gives us a clue. So you won't get tired. Landon, you see where the sun's hitting? Yeah. That's where you need to have your gun pointed. Hey, remember, keep your head down on your gun when you shoot. I am the world's worst for picking my head up, okay? So just keep your head on your gun. Are you comfortable, Landon? Go ahead and get your hand under your forearm. Listen, when he comes over that hill, whatever you do, do not move. Because where you're sitting, the sun is hitting your leg. You'll be able to see your leg. If he acts nervous, dial him up. But if you can let him walk to the middle of the road, that would probably be your best shot, wouldn't it? Okay. They're coming. Aim your gun to the left. No, you're alright. Landon, he may be coming up this. Well, he may be up here to the left. Just don't move your gun until I'll tell you when to move it. You just keep it right in the middle of that road for now. Left. Float your gun up by the big tree. Hurry, 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 hurry. Can you see over that knoll? Can you see over that knoll? Not really. I can see him. Can you see him? See? What? See? You can see the turkey? No, not yet. He's coming left on his landing. Can you see him? Don't move. Can you kill him? Kill him, Landon. Attaboy, good shot, Landon. Hey, put your safety on.
I already is.
That sucker tried to trick us, didn't he? Hey, good swing, buddy. That was smooth. Good swing on that dude, Landon. That was perfect. Right before his head come over. Oh man, how about that, Landon? Give me some, dude. Turn around here. Let's go, baby.
Oh my gosh.
Get up there and get that big joker. Grab him right by the neck, pick him up. So when he goes to flopping. Oh yeah, hold him right there. God almighty, dude, look at the beard. That's what I'm talking about. Was that perfect or what?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Landon, how about that last gobble? Hold him by the head. No, don't do that. You'll knock the feathers out of him.
Hold on.
Hold him right like that, buddy.
Dang. The smack down on him.
That was awesome. Good shot, Landon.
And I'm telling you, I could barely see him when he topped that hill. I barely seen his head. Pretty nice one, ain't it?
Oh, it's a beauty.
Yeah, I seen his head and all. I can hear him drumming all the way back there. I got
nice 2-year-old.
Look at that. I heard him drumming right before I shot him.
Oh, I heard him
So
drumming.
you all was right there and you shot through them.
Oh God, if we'd have been on that big tree, you could have killed him for 10. You could have killed him in the last 5 minutes.
I would have never dreamed that they'd come through the woods.
Look at that. He stood right there, and
Just
absolutely. Well, when he gobbled there.
This gun's probably old as Zack.
I love that
89?
gun. I love that gun. Hey, show us that gun real quick. Now, where did the gun come from again?
I bought this new in probably 88 or 89. It's a Remington 1187 first tree bark, they call it.
Yeah, hold it up for me. I want to see this gun. I've already tried to buy it twice.
Still original sling. Sling come factory with it.
Yeah, that sling is awesome.
Special purpose. Can't find these no more.
I'll tell you one thing. It's hard on them Kentucky longbeards. Oh man, Landon. That's a stud.
That's a good one.
That's a stud, buddy.